Okay, so here's the Audio Technica AT770, aka the Mr. Disc, or also known as the Soundburger. Now this is in very pristine condition. I believe it was unused until I actually opened it up just to test if everything did in fact work. It does have the original transit screw, which I had to remove to basically utilize the component. All inserts come included inside the box, original styrofoam. The original owner's manual, original purchase registration card, the dust bag, and also these headphones, which were unused. These are the original ones that came with it, the excuse me, 015Fs. Now with this being so old, actually the original foam on this was a blue color, but foam after so many years it deteriorates, so it was actually intact, but once you moved it or touched it, the original blue foam just disintegrated basically. And also there was foam on the battery door on the inside. Again, the foam is very brittle from being decades old, so that was removed. There is a little bit of adhesive left over on the battery door on the inside. You can't see it from the outside, and it doesn't affect any performance or play or anything. And also the dust bag, obviously. It's in pristine condition, so let me show you that everything does work. There's no blemishes anywhere on the body. The original transit screw was included and removed, so basically to utilize this component. So this is original Audio Technica cartridge and stylus. Now here's basically the 45 adapter, which also serves as a clamping device. So let me play a record here for you very quickly. It actually sounds pretty good. I have it connected to a speaker here from the RCA outputs. Okay, so that's the Audio Technica Mr. Disc. So thank you for watching.